Hello and welcome to this edition on how to upgrade your earl ducted twin jet fans with new GWS EDF50s. Let's begin. As you can see, the GWS EDF50s are the same diameter as the original EDF fans on your earl. We will start by measuring the new ducted fan units with the engine house casing. The objective is to make a cowl door the same size as the new fans and to get a flow tolerance fit on the cowl door. Always make sure to check with the specifications provided by your manufacturer. This will help you make sure you are buying the correct EDF units that correspond with your setup. In this case, these are rated at 7.2 volts and can handle 12 milliamps. Once the measurements have been made, we will start cutting using a small fine hobby knife. Gently following the cutting line, you will be able to cut the cowl with a close tolerance fit. There, wasn't that easy? Now you can remove the stuck EDF units and begin to fit the new ones. With the new EDF50s on this aircraft, you have to snip off the rear end ring on the ducted fan unit carefully, making sure you do not damage the casing. Once you have got all the way around, your EDF unit will fit snug in the nacelles. If the fans don't spin freely, take out a little bit of foam out from the surrounding nacelles until you get a good fit and they turn freely. Warning: if this is not done correctly, your fans will scrape on the inner case of the unit. This will cause serious damage to your fans and the case. Attach a thin layer of tape on the outer part of the fan casing, then apply a thin layer of GWS glue to the units. This will keep the fan units in place to prevent them from rotating inside the nacelle or coming out in flight. Apply some glue to the top of the engine casing and gently place cowl door on top of the engine casing to close the nacelle. Apply clear packing tape to seal the doors to the nacelle. This is very important due to that the air taken in by the engine will not come out of the door cowl. Check your EDF units to make sure they are operating in the correct direction of airflow, and time your units with your LiPo battery pack to make sure you do not exceed the low voltage of the LiPo pack. These units do draw a lot of amps. It is a good practice to time your lights, especially with ducted fan jets. Once these procedures are done, you can test flight your earl and make sure your imbalance is correct. This concludes our session on upgrading your earl rear jet upgrade with GWS EDF50s. This upgrade will provide hours of flying enjoyment. Blue skies to you, and you for watching this instructional program.